Welcome to Arica, Chile. Arica is Chile's most northern city. A hidden gem nested between the Pacific Ocean and the Atacama Desert. We're visiting on the most important day of the year. We're two retirees hooked on travel. Follow us on our journeys around the world. We just got off the ship and we knew there was going to be a festival. They have this festival once a year and it's for 3 days. Today's our first day. And literally tens of thousands of people come here to perform from all over northern Chile and Peru. And it's kind of a competition and it goes for 2 kilometers. Their competition, and they're in their original costumes. And it just so happens that our ship arrived here during the festival. Usually they have it anywhere between January and February, and we just happened to get here during the festival. Evidently it goes on for 15 hours straight. See, each group gets ready to go in front of the judges. It's like a judging panel. Yeah, they do it. Yeah, they do a performance, and it's a competition. The Carnaval is La Fuerza del Sol. It means strength of the sun. It's a celebration of cultural diversity and heritage of the Andean region. And the goal of the festival is to promote social integration and to respect the environment. Look at their shoes.
They're cute.
Yeah.
Look at the shoes.
I know. There's a lot of them. Look how many goes. There's hundreds of them. All of this is happening in the center of the city, which is right across from the cruise ship terminal. It's like a unifying force that brings together communities all across the Andean region. This is the group from Bolivia. They have a whole different look. The costumes are a significant aspect of the festival, reflecting a rich blend of cultural influences and traditions. I mean, look at their shoes. It's unbelievable, Zarko. Those costumes are really elaborate. They represent various elements of Andean, African, and Spanish heritage, symbolizing the multicultural history of the region. They feature symbols and motifs related to the indigenous beliefs and stories, such as animals, the sun, and the moon, which are central to the Andean cosmology. Wow, those are like stilts. Look at, they have a little brace in them to keep them from collapsing. I love their boot. Look how high those shoes are. braids. How they braided their hair. Wow. The walking street is completely packed. It's a neat walking street though. I mean, a lot of little restaurants. It's a nice shopping town, I think.
Yeah.
I think it's a nice town for shopping.
Yeah.
No, it's going to go on for 15 hours, Uncle.
No way.
3 days. It's 3 days.
3 days?
Yes.
10 hours a day?
Yes.
How they can do it?
They do it all day. Different people. There's 10,000 of them. They're different. They're all lined up. They're not repeating it. They're representing different cities throughout all of the northern part of South America.
Let's see what we can see.
That's a lot of cities in the northern part of South America. What's this? Oh, the food. Gastronomica Andean.
Oh,
Andina. Gastronomica Andina. It's a food court. Asada de alpaca. They eating alpaca?
Asado de alpaca.
asado de
Asada de
alpaca.
alpaca.
Huevo de caquena.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Look at this. Like it's like those are they're wrapped in corn husk. It's like I can't remember what they're called.
Wow, like you want to try some
This
truffle?
lady in her outfit. This is so fun. You gotta come here. Woo! Very good, very good.
Come here, man.
Hola. Hola. It's beautiful. The extreme intricate designs, the vivid colors, the bright reds, blues, greens, and yellows. And each color often carries its own symbolic meaning.
What?
Everything is so big in South America. Big amateurs, big mirrors, big steaks, lots of food.
Bigger the better.
Chilean spicy wings.
It's very spicy Chilean barbecue chicken. like this town.
In the heart of the city is a pedestrian-only street, and it's lined with shops, cafes, and restaurants.
Arica's great. Arica is great. It's possible. I don't know, it's kind of a small town.
Today's the
Busiest day of the year.
of the year. Start of town.
Well, we're having a great time, and how could you not have a good time on a parade? I've never seen a parade like this. It's crazy. You know, usually you see a parade, the family parade, your little hometown parade is like the firemen and everything, but every little community has got together and they've got all the people together. They have these elaborate outfits and their dance. It's really cool. It's fun. We got lucky to be here when it's coming on. And every little community in the northern part of South America is here. Here comes one right now. Tumba Carnival. Evidently, they even have somebody here, a group here from the United States. We haven't seen them yet, but they're from all over. Wow, they're with them.
These dancers are wearing costumes that represent African slaves that were brought to the Andes. I'm just amazed by the elaborate embroidery and the intricate patterns. Not to be ignored are the accessories, such as a variety of headdresses, masks, capes, and sashes. All the feathers, beads, and sequins.
Con muchos años de historia, nació es el 15 de junio de 1962. Una agrupación con mucha historia. Eso, gracias. Son como 40 kilos. Antiguamente era más de 50 kilos.
Además, queremos sacar.
The men wearing the bright, heavily embellished costumes with the helmets and the boots symbolize the warrior culture of the Andes.
Ahí está el varón también acompañando con su bastón.
I'm intrigued by those beautiful high-heeled boots. They're extremely decorated to match the costumes and the embellished sequins, the beads, and the embroidery. Some even have fringes, tassels, you name it. The high heels, they seem to add extra elegance and stature to the dancer. It emphasizes their movements and the gracefulness of their steps. I wouldn't be able to walk in those boots. The creation of the costumes, gosh, it must be a labor of love and artistry. I imagine it must take them months to make them. So far, this has been the most exciting port. Everyone is smiling, happy, and having a great time.
They've been dancing on the street since 11 o'clock, non-stop. Well, now that it's 6:30, a lot more people are out. The town is packed. Things are getting lively.
If you enjoyed watching, give us a like. To spread the word, share on your favorite social media. And we enjoy all of your wonderful comments. If you're interested, we added a tracker link in the description, and it'll show you where our cruise ship currently is. And it's also going to give you a lot of information about our current location. Next, we will explore the land of the Incas and visit the city of Cusco, Peru. Thanks for watching and see you there.